This is the Hot Wheels Truck Stop Mini Playset, part of the Hot Wheels world. Comes with one truck, portable, unassembled, includes one car. It is part of the Hot Wheels world logo right here. This is the truck stop logo right here. And the set is full of paint. And it loads up for a crane in a pickup truck, like a dump truck. And right here, it says a working lift, working crane, same front and the left and the right. And it has a working crane, working lift, storage for one vehicle, and then attaches to the Hot Wheels World Play Truck. And here's a picture shows all the Hot Wheels World Playsets available in 1997. This is from 1996, UK and USA. Each set sold separately and is subject for availability. And this one costs richly from the $5 in the stores and is really, really old. And it is made in China. And now let's open it up. Here's the look of all the pieces included with the set. As you can see, it's a mini play set. And we have a sticker sheet, a little thin gas station. We have some track pieces, including a collector guide. And here's a close look at the car included. A red pickup truck. Here's the look at the set fully assembled. And as you can see, it's like a $5 pack. And here's the place over here. And it has a lever, a mini launcher, and a parking area. And here's a storage for one car in here. And here's a crane with 2 boxes included. And this one compatible to the Hot Wheels World Play Track. And here's a close look at the car included. I'm sorry, guys. I accidentally put all the wrong stickers. I accidentally put the complete stickers on. I accidentally just almost complete the stickers, but I actually just incomplete the stickers, but I actually incomplete this one too. There's 4 of these little white and yellow and black stripes on here. There's one in the back too, and there's one here. So it's completed. So thanks for watching, everyone.